Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Chase QuickDeposit for faster deposit workflow planning, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open the Chase mobile app on your smartphone. Log into your Chase account using your credentials. From the home screen, locate and tap on the deposit option. Select Quick Deposit from the list of deposit options available. If prompted, agree to the terms and conditions for using Quick Deposit. Next, select the account where you want to deposit the funds. Enter the amount you wish to deposit in the designated field. Now, take a picture of the front of the check using your mobile camera. Ensure the check is placed on a flat surface in good lighting for a clear image. After capturing the front image, proceed to take a picture of the back of the check. Make sure the endorsement on the back is visible and clear in the photo. Once both images are uploaded, review them for clarity and accuracy. If everything looks good, tap on Submit to complete the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen shortly after submission. Check the status of your deposit by returning to the deposit section of the app. For future deposits, consider saving frequent contacts for easier access. And remember, keep a hold of the physical check until the deposit clears. Follow these steps each time for a smoother deposit experience with Chase QuickDeposit. You are now set up for a faster deposit workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.